Hi guys, it's Mary. I finally received almost all of my HSN Craft Day order from last week. I only ordered a few things, and I got one of them the other day, which was the Diamond Press what was it called? It was the Diamond Press, wait, it's right here, Never Ending Card, which I did a video the other day on. And I'm still waiting for one Crafter's Companion die that is on extended delivery till I don't know when. But I got the other three items that I ordered. So I ordered 3 of the new dies from Crafter's Companion that I don't remember what they're called, but I'll show you. They're Create a Card 3D scenes. And this one is the Paradise. And you can make a flat card, but you can also make a 3D scene. So I bought the Paradise one, and then I bought 3 of them. The one that I wanted the most is, of course, the one that is on extended delivery, and that was the African Savannah one. So hopefully that will be shipping soon. And then this one is the wonderful Woodland. And this one's got a deer, a coyote, a rabbit, a bird. So let's look at these. Let me put that aside. Let's look at them and see the dies that come with them. The African Savannah has a lion on a mountain, kind of like the Disney movie. And then it also has, I believe, a giraffe and an elephant. All right, so here's the tree, and then these are the sides here. And then this is the background. It's got these background trees here. So you can layer them and still make a flat card, or just ever so slight little layers. Or you can go with the big scene. You know how Sarah, they do that, the oval card. There's a name to it. I never make it because I can't put it in the mail. So, so here's a buck, a wolf, a deer, and the bird, oh, and a rabbit. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, whoops, 3, 4, 5. So I had bought the other kind of scene dies, the African Savannah, and there was a tropical one where it had the stencils. And those were really nice, but they to get that shadow look. It was pretty messy with the black ink. So I'm hoping that these will be a little bit easier, though I love the other ones. But I fell in love with these two, so we shall see. So that is the wonderful Woodland. So let's take a look at the, whoops. There we go. Let's take a look at the Paradise one. You know, I'm a sucker for anything Paradise with flamingos and birds, parrots, macaws, whatever kind of tropical bird. I am just a sucker for them. There was, I don't know if it shows it here, there was a fairy and a house and stuff, but I wasn't interested in those. So, all right, so I don't know if you can see, there's the one panel here of the palm leaves in here. And then there's palms. There's the, and those are the palms right here. And then the leaves. This is the flamingo, obviously. And then the parrot. And some more leaves. And then the palm trees. So I think they'll probably be the same time-wise as to make the card as the silhouette ones with the stencils. But I'm thinking they're going to be real pretty. So I think I'll do a video using this Woodland one next. Because it's just so, I don't know, it's just so different. I really like it. So those are the new Create card. You know, it's like, I organized my room and all my dies, and I separated them in types, like butterflies, nature, you know, frames, birthday, that kind of stuff. There's so many variations of Create cards, from day one, the old ones, to now. You're just, you know, getting better and better and trickier and prettier, and it's crazy. So anyway, so that was the two that I picked up from Crafter's Companion through HSN. And then I picked up the Diamond Press Dies and Stamps, the vintage paper dolls. And I'm pretty excited about it. It took me back to my childhood. I did just recently see people saying that there's a problem with two of the stamps, which I'm really surprised about, because there's been very little issues with anything Diamond Press in the past. So for them to make two mistakes on one set is just crazy. So let's see. And I don't know, you know, people have said that they've written or emailed Diamond Press because, you know, HSN can't do anything except refund your money and you return it. And that's not happening. So we'll see what happens. All right, so, oh, there's the girl. and another girl. All right, here we go. Here we go. I just think this will make just some really fun cards. And it, like I said, it does take me back to my childhood, unfortunately. All right, extra instructions. Dies. For stamps. More stamps. And get this out. Sorry for all the noise. All right. Success. All right, so here we go. So we've got 2 girls, one with long hair, one with hair pinned up. And that's the 2 girls right there. We've got bathing suits, long dress, short dress, skirt, a top. Looks like a cheerleader outfit or something. Bathing suit or bra and panties, I don't know. And then all the dies to go with. Oh, and then there's more outfits over here, or clothes. Oh, that was a bathing suit, because here's the underwear here. Your basic dress, purse, and then all the sayings. And this is where there's an issue. And now I don't remember which one it was. So it says, hello, you are pretty great, keep it up, thinking of you, get well soon. Life is better with friends, glad you're mine, happy birthday, bestie, friends better than therapy, hello. It says, a ride or die friend, a partner in crime, who has seen you at your worst and help you be your best. Happy birthday, may you live to be so old that your driving terrifies people. That's pretty funny. Forget 2 peas in a pod, we're more like 2 nuts in a tree. Oh, I love these. Don't let aging get you down. It's too hard to get back up. I can tell you that's the truth. Always be the leading lady in your own life. Happy birthday. You'll always be my friend. You know too much. That's the truth too. Friends are the family we choose. You've chosen particularly well. That's good. Sometimes I amaze myself. Other times I can't remember what day it is. The thing about being vintage is that it never goes out of style. Happy birthday. Apparently we're trouble together. Who knew? Always laugh when you can. It is cheap medicine. May your birthday be filled with joy and wine. Thanks for being my friend. And I cannot figure out what is wrong. Friends are the family we choose. The thing about being vintage is that, oh, okay, here it is. Here's one of them. The thing about being vintage is that it should be it never goes out of style. It actually says never goes, so that's wrong. And then I think there was a word that was spelt wrong. May your birthday be filled. So I'll have to look at it and figure that one out. So aging, here it is. Don't let aging get you down. It's too hard to get back up. It should be A-G-I-N-G, not A-G-E-I-N-G. So if you have this set and you haven't opened it yet, take a look and see. I'm sure they're all the same. They all have a problem. So, and then if you don't belong to the Diamond Press Facebook group, I would suggest that you go and get on that, because if they're going to do anything about this, it will be posted by either them or somebody who has heard back from them, so with a resolution. But like I said, it's so unusual for them to make 2 mistakes like that. So the instructions, oh my gosh, look at how cute. I love that you can do different hairstyles, different skin colors, different hair colors. Shows you how you can mix and match. Well, actually, I guess that's just a dress with an A on it. Why? I don't know. Oh, this is one so cute. Little black dress. Little underwear, bathing suit. Oh, look at this one. How cute with the kitchen apron. There's the underwear. There's the bathing suits. All kinds of different bathing suits. So those long, they're you print, or you stamp them and then take them and cut them apart. So cute. You know, I really thought twice about this. I went back and forth, and then it was like, no, I have to have this, and I am so glad that I did, because it's just too cute for words. Too cute. I love it. So, as usual, Diamond Press comes through, except for those 2 little things. That is so weird. But, you know, mistakes happen, and evidently it didn't get proofed very well. So that's the problem. So anyway, but other than that, I am pretty happy with this. I will have to make a couple of dowels and make a card. It's so cute. And I'm happy with these 2. So now if the extended delivery one would come, I'd be pretty happy. And Lord knows, I think there's another craft day coming at the end of March. All right, so that's it. So if you have any of these, let me know in comments if you've got them, if you used them yet. If you've gotten the paper dolls, let me know. If you've opened it, make sure to take a look. I'm sure that, you know, I mean, I don't think they produced them twice, so it would be the same issue on everybody's. So, and those are, you know, all of these sayings are cute, and I certainly wouldn't want to lose 2 of those sayings. So, anyway, so that's it for this time. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate the time that you take to stop and take a look. If you are a subscriber, thank you. If you like the video, please hit the like. I'll be doing, like I said, a demo on this one and this one in the near future. So stay tuned for that. And until next time, stay safe and well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.